From 1878 to 1968, there were 71 lake captains that called Bayview, Wisconsin, on the shore of Lake Michigan, their home. While they lived here, they captained 195 different ships, from tugboats to schooners to steamships, in voyages that took them to every one of the Great Lakes. Join us now for another episode of Bayview, Town of Lake Captains, where we explore not only these captains, but also their ships, their homes, their families, and their lifetime of sailing adventures on the Great Lakes.
Okay folks, the historic marker from the Wisconsin Historical Society just arrived. It's October and I'm unpacking it, so I thought you might like to see the unboxing of the historic marker for Johanna Brotch, Bayview's only female ship owner. Here we go. The marker also commemorates, has her brother's name on it, and he's Bayview's greatest rags to riches story, and he built this house for her. And her husband was Bayview's most prolific schooner captain, Johanna Brotch, and her brother's name was William Draves. You can read all about it and watch some episodes in the future. Alright, back to the unboxing. Now, one thing, I think we'll shoot the sign separately. I'll leave a little space here, and I may not show it to you right now for all the details, but I may. We'll see how I decide to do it, because I want you to come to the ceremony. But we'll see. Here goes. Wow. Oh. Woo! That is a beauty. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a beauty. The first time in 26 years that a historic marker from the Wisconsin Historical Society has been placed in Bayview. And there's only 3 of them. And this is the 3rd. And this is the only one of the 3 to be placed at a residence in Bayview. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Well, let's see here. Yeah, go, yeah, keep filming. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go beside him. Okay. Wow. Wow. What? I gotta lift this. I need Jameson. Okay. No. I'm joking. Okay. Let's see here. Now, it looks to me. Okay. I just read it. Looks good to me. Now. Oh, I see. This is holding that in. Okay, freeze it for a minute. Okay, we've knocked a little bit of stuff off the edges that we're boxing it in, and now I'm going to lift it up. So here goes. And then we'll do the post next. Okay. I checked it out. It reads pretty good. Ooh, it's on both sides. Look.
Is it? Oh, neat.
I didn't know they can do both sides. Okay. All right. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The first time in 26 years. Actually, when it goes in, it's going to be 27 years to the actual installation. And 10 years worth of work on my behalf. And now, a little bit of Bayview's maritime history is being recognized for the first time. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll undo the post. We'll film that just in case I might want to add it on. But, there you have it. Alright, see you next time. Bye. I forgot, and I'm wearing the wrong hat. Forgive me. Remember, hats off to Bayview's Lake Captains. Alright, now we can say goodbye. So long. We'll see if it'll slide out. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Here it goes. Custom-made aluminum here, and fits like that. Okay, that's it. Boxing done, unboxing done. So remember now, it's all going to be posted on the website and the YouTube channel when we're going to have the dedication ceremony, all of that. So look for it. I can only tell you at this point, since it just got here, it's going to be summer of 2024. But I got to coordinate with the family who's going to come and speak and all sorts of things. So, but it's free. Stop by the ceremony when we dedicate it. Everyone's welcome, rain or shine. and we'll see you then. So until then, hats off to our Bayview Lake captains, and I promise to wear the right hat next time, okay? All right, see you, bye.